Hi, I am Blessed from Jackma's Solution, and in this video I want to show you how to solve Apache HTTP error 404. The tutorial is to show you services or programs that bind the default Apache port 80 and does not allow Apache web server to listen on it. Whenever you are having such issue, when you run the XAMPP or the worm server, Apache can't start. Therefore, you are giving the error not found, HTTP error 404. The requested resource is not found. This is the problem I'm having right now, and this is how you will solve it. As you can see, port 80 is in use by another process. When I click on Start Apache, it says that error, Apache shut down unexpectedly. This may be due to a blocked port, missing dependencies, improper privileges, a crash, or whatever. When I click on MySQL is starting. It is running. The status change detected running, but Apache can't start and run. It gives me error. And in Windows, a lot of program uses the port 80, and some of these programs are the Web Deployment Agent Service. That's the Internet Information Services Deployment Service. And we also have this service is used for deploying websites in ASP.NET and in Windows. We also have the SQL Server Reporting Service. This service gives you report about your SQL Server instance. We have the Microsoft HTTP. This also uses the default port 80. We have Skype, TeamViewer, VMware, and a whole lot. These are just to mention but a few. When you have any of these programs running, it uses the port 80. Therefore, Apache web server can never listen on port 80 and it will not run. So in order to solve this problem, we need to open the services and locate the program which is using the default port 80. So to open services, we just type services in the search area. It gets services dialog open. We go to the S column and we search for SQL Service Reporting Service. SQL Reporting Service. This is it. SQL Reporting Service. It is running. The status is running. We need to stop this service. This service is using the port 80, so we need to stop it. So we are stopping the service. Let me start again and show you something here. Sorry. You can see that when I run, it's still running, starting. It is now running. When I open, it gives me it's not found HTTP error 404 because that service is using the port. So I just need to disable by stopping the service. So right now that I have stopped the service, when I go again and I hit HTTP, it is still not because I have not started the server. So I'll go to XAMPP control panel. When you start the Apache server, now it is running and it is running listening on port 80. So we can now open our XAMPP is running. Localhost /exam is not running. It's not running correctly. So this is how you can disable the SQL Server reporting service and have your exam running nicely for you. You can now do your WordPress or whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe and you like it for more and new updating videos.